So as you guys can see, I obviously ran out of luck. The Beamer broke down. I was actually cruising on the highway, and I guess these are pretty exposed. So a rock flew through here and hit the auxiliary radiator, and it started shooting coolant out like a squirt gun. So it was actually shooting coolant out the front, but it was dripping back down here. So I didn't know if I needed to replace some hoses too that got damaged, but luckily it was just the auxiliary radiator. So if you actually look right here, it's a pretty simple replacement. There's just a few bolts. You can actually turn your wheel and then access the auxiliary radiator just from your wheel well. So it was a super easy fix. I think the part's only like $250 to $300, depending on what website you buy it on. So I was able to get that fixed and replaced and got the Beamer back running. So luckily it didn't cause any other damage. I was able to get it figured out before all the coolant was actually out of the car, but it was leaking coolant pretty bad and pretty fast because it's pressurized. So when there's a crack, it's just gonna shoot it out. So now that I got all that situated and taken care of, I actually have these rear side spats that I want to install. They came with the side skirts, but I never actually put them on. They go back here. I was actually gonna get a new rear diffuser before I put these on, but I don't know, I might just keep this one for a while. I'm kind of stuck in the middle, but I'm gonna put these on until I decide either way. So I'm gonna hurry and go ahead and install these, and let's see how they look. So I just got done installing the rear side spats. It probably took me 15 minutes. It's just 2 self-tap screws on each side, but it definitely flows a lot better. You can see it's kind of a low profile side skirt. I think you can see it a little bit better on this side. That's all I really had for today. I just wanted to show you guys the new rear side spats that I just had installed, as well as kind of go over what happened to me. Hopefully it doesn't happen to you guys, but if it does, I wouldn't really stress too much. I mean, it's a super easy fix, not too pricey either. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna have some more content soon, so stay tuned.